Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we will be doing the phonics lesson of the letter H, and the sound it makes is H. H. Its action is you have to act as if panting after a race, holding hand up to mouth and saying ha ha ha, as if you're panting after a race, holding hand up to mouth and saying ha ha ha. This is the action, and the sound is ha ha ha. Workbook page number 35, you have the sound and action on your book. Inky and Bee are having a hopping race. When they finish, they are hot and huffing. Ha ha ha. Look at Inky Mouse. He's hopping, and the bee also, and making the sound h h h. H makes the sound h h. All right. Now we will do the pages in our workbook, page number 36 and page number 37. Please don't forget to write CW, that is classwork, and today's date. According to the lesson told by your teacher, you will be writing today's date and classwork. Let's do page number 37 first. Page number 37, we will be doing first help frog hop to his lily pad. You have to help this frog. He wants to reach the lily pad, and you have to draw beautiful lines inside the path that is drawn. For helping the frog to reach his lily pad, please keep inside the lines. Over here, you have to trace H. The correct method of writing H is written over here. You have to draw a line first, starting from number 1. Draw a straight line, touching the line behind the bottom line, and then going above, touching the middle line, and then back to the bottom line. In this way, you have to trace H and keep making the sound it makes, which is H. 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 You have to trace all the way in these 3 lines, and the spaces in between given, please write in free handwriting. Write in free handwriting over here the spaces given to you in these blanks. Next thing you need to do, you need to learn how to write capital H, starting from this dot, going all the way down, making a nice line, then making another line, and then joining these 2 lines together, make the capital H. Again, you have to write the capital H, number 1 line, number 2 line, and then number 3 line, joining these lines. Write capital H in these lines, and let's see the vocabulary of H. What is this? Hand. Identify the sound it's making. H. Hand. H. And. Hand. Next picture is of hen. H. N. Hen. Identify and trace H. H. What is this, bete? Horse. Horse. This is a picture of a toy horse, and see, H is also drawn over here, small h. H. Horse. You have to trace, you have to identify the sound, you have to learn the vocabulary of H. The next page we will be doing 36, in which again look at the girl. She is after a race as if she's uh, holding, she's out of breath and she's saying ha ha ha. Look, and the action is also drawn on your page. Hold a hand up to your mouth, panting as if you are out of breath and saying ha ha ha, right? Make the sound one more time with the ha ha, as if you are panting, you are out of breath. And in this page, on this page, you have to again write age, make the sound of age, first trace few times and then write in freehand writing age, h, h, h. In the next line, these are some vocabulary, these are some sounds that you already have learned. You need to recall them, revise them, trace them, make the sound and write in freehand writing. First sound is A. You have to trace it and write it over here. Then P. Trace and write and make the sound P. Trace, write, making the sound Again, next sound is K. Trace, write, make the sound K. Next sound is again K, but the letter is different. This is called K, this is called C. The sound is the same, but the writing method is different. Sometimes we use this C as K, sometimes we use this K as K, and sometimes we use them together, CK as in kick. We already have studied this sound. You just have to keep revising, recalling so that you don't forget these sounds that you already have done. Trace K, K, and now over here you have to write K, make the sound K. This is the last sound we did. Eh. You have to trace E, make the sound eh. Write in freehand writing, in a beautiful handwriting. Remember that you have to follow the lines starting from the dot that is given to you. Remember that the starting point, because later on the dots will not be given to you, you will have to write on your own without the dot as well. Next exercise we will do, we will read these words that are given over here, starting from the first letter. First, identify how many sounds does it have. Count the dots. The dots represent sound. 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dots. There are 3 dots. It means it has 3 kinds of sounds. We have to make the sounds, then we have to blend them together to read out the word that is written over here. Let's make the sound. H, eh, Then blend them together. H, eh, hen, hen. First word is hen. Next, h, a, t. There are 3 dots. It means it has 3 sounds. So we need to make these 3 sounds, blend them together to read out the word which is written h, a, t. Hat, hat. Next, again there are 3 dots. It means there are 3 sounds. We make the sounds when we blend them together to read out the word. H, I, p. H, I, p. H, I, p. Hip, hip, hip. Next, there are 1, 2, 3 dots. It means it has 3 sounds. H, I, s. There are 2 s written over here, but they both will make the same s sound. One sound, together they make one sound, which is s. Make the sound, everyone. Good job. Now make the sounds. H, I, s. Now blend them together. I, hiss, 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 hiss. Read these words again, bete, one more time. Hen, hat, hip, hiss. Good job. Now we have to see these four pictures. Three of these pictures have a h sound in them. We need to cross out the one that does not have the h sound. So let's identify, let's make the sounds of each of these pictures. What is this picture? First picture is of hen. H sound is coming in hen. So this is not the picture that we need to cross. This is the correct picture. Next, this is a picture of a hand. Identify the sound h coming in the beginning. Hand. So this is not the picture that we need to cross. This is the correct one because it has the h sound. This is a picture of a horse. Identify the sound h in the beginning of horse. So this is also the correct picture. We don't need to cross it. Now look at this picture. What is this, bete? This is a picture of a kite. Kite. H sound is not coming in kite. Kite. So this is the picture that we need to cross. We need to cross it. We need to put a cross. So that's it. We are done. You just need to cross it. Either put a big cross or put a small cross on top of the picture. Just need to understand the sounds every picture is making. That's it for today, beta. Your work is done. I hope you understood all the letters, all the sounds, all the vocabulary that we studied of today's phonic, which is h, h, h. Please do revise all the sounds that you have been doing, bete, so that you don't forget and you are able to read very quickly with ease, inshallah ta'ala. Take care of yourself, beta. See you soon, inshallah ta'ala. Allah Hafiz.